Hi everyone, today we will see 5 more current affairs according to our day 16 plan. So these are the topics to be discussed today in detail. So the first topic is regarding International Transport Forum. It is an intergovernmental organization consisting of 63 countries within Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development. Okay, please check the word within OECD. Okay, so you may get confused with these words only. So and it is administratively integrated with OECD, but politically it is autonomous. It can take its own decision. So only global body with a mandate of all the modes of transport. They have given that all modes of transport. This is a key word here, and only global body, and it acts as the think tank for the transport policy issues. Okay, so it will organize annual global summit of the transport ministers. Recently also ITF, International Transport Forum 2021 summit is regarding the topic theme transport innovation for sustainable development. India has been a member of ITF since 2008. Okay. Important points to be noted here is within OECD, India is a member. Okay, next. So, Gartak Fiber Scheme, this is regarding a Bihar government scheme, that is Prime Minister has inaugurated Gartak Fiber Scheme in Bihar. Gartak means we can say to the house itself the digital services will be provided. Okay, so the aim is to connect all the 45,945 villages of Bihar. This is the total number of villages in Bihar with the high speed optical fiber internet. We know that optical fiber has seamless communication because it is based on total internal reflection principle. So by March 31, 2021, these villages will be connected by high-speed optical fiber internet. So Bihar has to provide fiber to the home, that is FTTH connections they will be telling, no, per village FTTH connection should be there, and at least one Wi-Fi hotspot per village should be there. So this is to include the digital services like we can say e-education, e-agriculture, telemedicine, tele-law to the grassroots level of the system. Through this, digital literacy will be improved, and it is jointly executed by Department of Telecommunications, Common Service Centers, and as well as E-Governance Services Limited. So it is a special purpose vehicle of MeitY, that is Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, mainly implemented by the MeitY only, and it will boost the local employment generation also with the implementation of the BharatNet initiative. So this is to enhance digital literacy and digital services even in the rural areas. That's all. So Oceanus Procellarum or Ocean of Storms. Okay, recently Japan National Institute of Advanced Science and Technology has given this photos regarding the near side of the moon, that is vast lunar mare, that is dark seas. Like dark seas, some spots were seen on the western edge of the near side of the moon. So lunar mare means they are the large dark basaltic plains. While they are telling basaltic plain means they are formed to be by the ancient volcanic eruptions, okay, which is seen on the moon. So this is called Oceanus because its size is so huge. Okay, and Maria means sea in Latin, and this Oceanus Procellarum or Ocean of Storms covers nearly 1/3 of the near side of the moon. Okay, so early astronomers have mistook this as the actual seas itself. Okay, but they are formed by volcanic eruptions. So next is regarding Article 85, because we have been facing COVID pandemic, so sessions of Parliament has not been conducted regularly. So that's why this was a news. So according to Article 85, it requires that there should not be gap of more than 6 months between two sessions of the Parliament. Okay. And they have told that we have budget, monsoon and winter session, no, so there should not be gap of 6 months, more than 6 months should not be there, and power to convene a session of the Parliament is rest with the government only. Constitution does not specify. Here the important point is about more than 6 months, and the Constitution does not specify when or for how many days Parliament has to meet and all. Okay, the decision is to the government only. That is taken by the Cabinet Committee on Parliamentary Affairs, and that will be formalized by the President. By the name of the President, members of the Parliament are summoned to meet the session. And we know that India does not have a fixed parliamentary calendar as like other countries, we can say by convention. That is by practice only we are doing this 3 sessions in a year. Okay, Constitution does not specify like when and where or how many days the Parliament should meet and all. Constitution doesn't specify. Okay, it is rest with the power of the government. That's all. Because aspirants will do silly mistakes in this very simple questions only. That's why I am specifying this. So next one is about horseshoe crab. Okay, this is Marine cilicerate arthropod, it is an invertebrate, doesn't have a developed backbone system, vertebral column and all. So it belongs to the subphylum Cilicerata, under the that is coming under the phylum Arthropod. Okay, so it lives in the shallow coastal waters in soft sandy or muddy bottom, and usually it will release or deposit eggs, that is spawning area will be in the intertidal beaches only during summer spring high tides. Okay, so they are considered as the marine living fossil because they are more than 300 million years old. Since the time of dinosaurs existed, no, so they were been existing till now. Okay, and under our Wildlife Protection Act 1972, it is identified under Schedule 4, and catching or killing of the horseshoe crab is considered as an offense. Okay. Recently, IUCN, International Union for Conservation of Nature, observed first ever International Horseshoe Crab Day on 20th June 2020 in order to give awareness among the public about the extant crab species, because habitat destruction is happening. Okay, and poaching is done for its aphrodisiac properties like sexual pleasure. Okay, so in order to give awareness about this marine fossil, living fossil, so IUCN has considered this day. Okay, there are 4 extant horseshoe species were there. So 4 surviving species: American horseshoe crab, which is considered as IUCN status is vulnerable, and tri-spine horseshoe crab endangered, IUCN status. For coastal horseshoe crab and mangrove horseshoe crab, it is not listed under IUCN red list. So we can say that the American horseshoe crab, which is considered as IUCN status as vulnerable, no, it is seen along the eastern coast of USA and Gulf of Mexico. Other 3, tri-spine horseshoe crab, coastal horseshoe crab, and marine horseshoe crab, can be seen in the Indo-Pacific waters. They are considered as Indo-Pacific species because they are seen in India, Southeast Asia, China, and Japan. Especially the last 3 species, no, tri-spine, coastal, and mangrove, that is considered as Indo-Pacific species, no. Their largest habitat is Odisha. Okay. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to Dream Work Achieve channel and also share this video to the needed aspirants. Till then, be bold, be strong, keep smiling, be happy, and be grateful to each and every work you do. Nandri.